morning student. Once again welcome back in maths class. Today we will continue our recap exercise. In previous video till question number 4 we have done. Now we will continue our question number 5. What is this? Solve the following word problems. There is given word problems that we have to solve. Okay. Now here is a part. A school ordered 25,875 books for the school library in the month of August. Okay. If 32,069 more books were ordered in the month of September. Okay. More books were ordered in the month of September. Then how many books were ordered in all? So how many total books were ordered? That you have to find. So for the all books we will do plus. Okay. So first sentence what will be there? So you should solve this word problem with a sentence. Okay. So now we should start our solution. Books were ordered in August. Firstly there is books were ordered in the month of August. So we should make the sentence books were ordered in August. How many books were ordered in August? 25,875. So we should write here 25,875. Okay. These books were ordered in the month of August. Next, now books were ordered in September. So in September month, how many books were ordered? 32,069. So we should write here 32,069. These books were ordered in the month of September. Now we have to find how many books were ordered in all. So write here books were ordered in all. For that we will do plus. So here we will do plus. We should put here plus symbol. Now 9 plus 5, 14. 1 was carry. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. We should write here 4 and 1 was carry. 8 plus 1, 9. Now 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. So your answer is 57,944 books. These books were ordered in the month of these books ordered in all. Okay. So we write here so 57,944 books were ordered in all. That's your answer. You should write here answer. Okay. So that's your solution. Now question number 2. So question number 2 is there. Vaishali climbed up 11,985 steps to the shrine on the hilltop. What do you mean by shrine? Shrine means temple. Okay. So Vaishali climbed up these steps to the shrine on the hilltop. On the top of hill there is a temple. On that she climbed that many. For that reaching she climbed these many steps. Okay. So she descended. When she descended means come down. Only 11,236 steps. When she come down 11,236 steps, she tired and covered the rest of the distance on horseback. She only covered these steps. When she come down, only these steps she covered, and after that, whatever distance is left, that she covered covered on horseback. Okay. So how many steps did she cover on horseback? So you should tell that how many steps she covered on horseback. Total step that many she covered, and till 11,236 she come down, but after that she tired, so she come on horseback. So how many steps she come on horseback? For that we will do subtraction, because we know the total and how many she covered that we know. So the rest For rest we will do subtraction. Okay, so now we should start solution. There is given, Vaishali climbed. How much climbed? Climbed up steps to the shrine till temple. She covered how much step? 11,985. Total steps are these. Okay. So how much she climbed? That many she come down. Okay. So that many she climbed. So that means that many she will come down also. So how much she come down? Descended. So she descended only 11,236 steps. So she descended steps. How much? 11,236. Now rest. She descended by horseback. On the horse back. So how much she descended on horseback? That we will find by subtraction. So steps she covered on horseback. So for that we will do subtraction. So now we will do subtraction. So now 5 minus 6. So from 5 we can't subtract 6. So for that we will take borrowing. So there is 8. So now there will be 7 and there is 15. Now 15 minus 6 is 9. Now 7 minus 3, 4. 9 minus 2, 7. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So how many steps she covered on horseback? 749 steps. So we write here. So 749 steps she covered on horseback. That's your answer. That many steps she covered on horseback. Okay. So first of all we will write that how much she climbed. Then that many she climbed. So that means that many she will come down. Okay. जितना आप चढ़ोगे उतना ही तो आप नीचे आओगे. कहीं पे भी आप जा रहे हो टेम्पल में तो upside how much you will go, that many you will come down. So she climbed these many steps. So that means total steps are these many. She come down 11,236. So how many she covered on horseback? So for that we will do subtraction. Okay. So now after that question number 3. Now C part. C part is there. In a large fruit basket there are 6,125 cherries. Okay. In a fruit basket there are 6,125 cherries. So how many cherries will be there in 7 such baskets? Same type baskets are there, same size. So in 7 baskets how many cherries can be put? Okay. So you know that in one basket there is 6,125 cherries. Okay. And you should tell in the 7. So in the 7 we have more cherries. In one, if we have in one 6,125, so in the 7 we have more, and for the more what we will do? We will do multiplication. Okay, if we know the value of one object and we are finding more than one, that means we will do multiplication. Now we know the number of cherries in one basket and we have to find more than one, means in the 7 baskets. For that we will do multiplication. Okay. So here is given cherries are there in one basket. So we will start our solution and we should solve with a sentence. So first sentence is there, cherries are there in one basket. How many cherries are there in one basket? 6,125. So these cherries in one basket. Then cherries will be there in 7 such baskets. For the 7 basket we will do multiplication. So 6,125 multiplied by 7. So now we will do multiplication and we should write our answer here. So 7 5s are 35. 3 goes carry. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 1 goes carry. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Now 7 6 are 42. Now there is no after that, there is no digit, so we should write directly 42. So 42,875 cherries we can put in 7 baskets. So we write here, so 42,875 cherries will be there in 7 such baskets. That's your answer. Okay, that's your answer. Finish. Now next question, D part. There are 5,280 mangoes to be packed equally in 12 boxes. Okay, these mangoes packed in 12 boxes. Now how many mangoes can be put in one box? Here is given 12 box and you have to find one box. Whenever we have value of more and we are finding of 1, for that we will do always divide. When we know the value of 1 and we are finding more than 1, then we do multiply. So in this part we have the value of 1 basket and we are finding 7 basket value. So for that we will do multiplication. And here we know that 12 boxes mangoes and we have to find 1 box mango. So for 1 we will do divide. When we have more and we are finding less, so for less, that means if in 12 box there is many, so in 1 box there will be less mangoes. And for less mangoes we will do divide. Okay? Because less answer we can get by division. And when we know the value of 1 and more than 1, that means if object is more, so value should be more. For that we will do multiply. Okay? So now first solution will start. We should write here solution. So first sentence is there, mangoes packed equally in 12 boxes. How many mangoes packed equally in 12 boxes? 5,280. So we write here 5,280. Now mangoes can be put in one box. Now we have to find mango. How many mango we can put in one box? So for that we will do division. 5,280 divided by 12. Okay, so now we will do division. So we will start here division. We should show here. Here, why not we show here? Because there is single digit multiplication. So directly we can multiply here. But if you want to show here multiplication, you can show also. That's no problem. You can show on side of that, you can show multiplication and then also you can write. But in division, there is a long division. So we will show the division. So divide here. 5,280 divided by 12. Now in 12 there is 2 digit. So here also we will take 2 digit. Now in 2 digit what number is there? 52, which is more than 12. So that means we will take 2 digit. Now we should recite the table of 12 where we have 52. In 12 table we don't have 52. 12 ones are 12, 12 2s 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60. So 60 is greater than 52. So at the 5 number we have greater. So we will take on the 4 number. So 12 4s are 48. Now 52 minus 48, 4. Now we note down next. Again 12 4s are 48 because in 12 table we have 48. So 48 minus 48, that will be 0. Now we note down next 0. Now 12 zeros are 0. If you want to show here, you can show here also. But if you are not showing this, you can leave there also. But in the quotient you should take 0. 12 zeros are 0. So we should take here 0. Now your remainder is 0. So that means how many mangoes can be put in one box? 440. Okay. So we write here. So 440 mangoes can be put be put in one box. That's your answer. Okay. These many mangoes we can put in one box. There also we should write here answer. 440 mangoes. Okay. There also you should write. And in the last you should write this sentence. So 440 mangoes can be put in one box. That's your answer. So like this you have to solve your questions with a sentence. Okay. All the word problem you should solve with a sentence. Thank you.